Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Jenny Sapon, and on my channel we do a lot of reviews and how-tos. Today we're gonna go ahead and talk about my current favorites. If you are interested in what my favorites are, just go ahead and keep watching, and before you leave, please hit that subscribe button and let's get started. It's been a while since I've actually posted a video. My last one was actually like for like a Valentine's Day look. I actually like filmed a few videos, but I actually just didn't like them, and I just wish I just was not such a perfectionist, because that way you guys would see more content. I really wanted to post like a Jaclyn Hill video. I actually bought her palette the day of the launch and I filmed it and everything, but I just hate it. I hate it so much. I actually used her palette today to create this eye look that I will post on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and stop babbling, and we're just gonna go ahead and get straight into my current favorites. Let's talk about one random thing. It's kind of beauty related, which I personally think so. Also kind of doesn't fall into like beauty. That's why I'm kind of like just starting it and then just kind of pushing it up to the side. And it's the Pedi. It's like to scrub like the bottom of your feet. I know it's kind of weird. I actually purchased it on Amazon. I like to use this in between like my pedicure times. I wear a lot of open toe shoes and sandals and all of that, and so the back of your feet just gets a little bit rough, and that definitely helps me during like my in-between times of getting a pedicure. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with hair first. The first one is this Tresemme used by professionals Keratin Smooth. It's a heat protectant, anti-frizz, detangles, shine, softness, and tames flyaways. I actually purchased this because I was getting tired of my curls and I wanted to start crimping my hair with the waver, and I was like, you know, honestly I should probably pick this up. I think this was like $5, so it was very affordable to protect your hair. My second one is actually two dry shampoos, and you're probably wondering, why, Jenny, do you need two dry shampoos? I actually have like dry shampoos like everywhere. I have like two in my bedroom, and I actually have one sitting here on my vanity. I have two in the bathroom where I do my hair. This is the IGK Direct Flight Multitasking Matcha Dry Shampoo. It's medium cleanse level, texturizing, volumizing, and style extender. So I love this thing because I can spray it onto my hair and it does not leave like a gray residue like some dry shampoos do. And the plus side is vegan, cruelty, and gluten-free. I spray this even in dry, like clean hair. I will spray this because I'll curl my hair, and it just adds more texture to it. I was using this for the longest time until this launched in September. This is a Way Super Dry Shampoo, and I actually bought this in Sephora. There were some products that were like launching before it hit the stores, and you were able to like check it out firsthand. It's freaking amazing. This dry shampoo smells so good. If you smell any of like the Way products, it just smells amazing. It's not vegan or anything, but it is cruelty free. Anyways, enough talking about hair care products. We're gonna go ahead and start moving on to beauty and stuff. So usually I don't get dry skin until like December, January is when I'll start getting that super, like my skin just starts to get super dry and it just looks gross, and it looks like I have like really bad makeup days, when in general it's just like my dry skin. It actually came like in October, and my skin just started to get so disgusting. I would moisturize, put night creams and everything, and it just still looked gross. And I went into Sephora, and they were just like, you know, skin changes as you get older. It's so sad to even say that, but as you get older your skin does change. I just kept getting dry skin, like especially in these areas and like my nose and this area, and it was just gross. Anyways, so I purchased this at Sephora. This is the, I can't even say the top part, so I'm just gonna say the acai prickly pear Goji. This is the Superberry Hydrate and Glow Oil. As you can tell, it is used and very loved. If you have like dry skin like I do, applying this and then applying like my moisturizer and primer, my makeup would glide on so beautifully. Like it was just perfect. Like it was the perfect canvas, and it was all because of this. And I looked naturally like glowy within. So moving on, this is the Sulwhasoo activating serum. I don't know if I said it correctly. This was actually sent to me from Influencer. Thank you very much for that, Influencer, if you're watching this. And I was actually very excited to try this out, and I'm very sad because this is way too expensive. This is like more than I believe it says more than the Lancome serum. I've been using this ever since I received it. I can wear this and a sunblock and run my errands, and I would just feel super hydrated. My skin was just glowy. I looked like I had enough sleep. I love this thing so much, and I'm so sad once I'm finished with this. I'm kind of sad because it's kind of very pricey, but this is so amazing. Applying my makeup over this has changed tremendously. When I had the moisturizer but I ran out of it, I would just go straight into serum, so this, and then the moisturizer, and then go straight into my makeup, and I didn't even have to worry about my makeup moving or anything. It just stayed in place. I cannot say enough good things about this product. It's so good. If you want to splurge on something, I would definitely say this is an item worth splurging for. And you can find it at Sephora. But I would say this would be a really good dupe for it. This one's a little more oily because it's an oil. But this is a really good dupe for it. But this is amazing. It's so good. Super Goop everyday sunscreen, and you know, wearing sunscreen is actually very important. You should actually be wearing your SPF every day. Even if it's cloudy out, you should actually still wear sunblock. I have been loving this, and this is actually it's water and sweat resistant. I wear this when I go for a run. Like on weekends when I go out for a run, I just wear the serum and this, and it's just amazing. This one, I can now wear this underneath like makeup and not break me out. But when I wore the Neutrogena and wore makeup over it, I feel like that broke me out. I really like this one. It's really good. It's cruelty-free, non-irritating, and allergy tested. So definitely give this a try, or just any sunblock. Wear any sunblock. Especially because summer is around the corner. I have tried a lot of setting sprays, and majority of them, I do not like the feel of it on my skin, and I would wear it for like half a day and it would start breaking me out, and I did not like it. So I discovered this one. This is the Sephora Beauty Amplifier. This is a set and refresh spray. Because you know how like MAC Fix Plus, when you spray that on, your face just feels like a wax just like stayed onto your face, and you can't move your face, and it just feels disgusting. I mean, everyone raves about it, but I personally don't like it. This one's so much better. I think it performs better. Once you spray this on, it's just it feels so refreshing, and it locks in your makeup all day, and it's way cheaper. So I have been obsessed with 2 new beauty sponges, and it's not the Beauty Blender. Don't get me wrong, I love the Beauty Blender. I have like 2 of them sitting like right here, but I actually really don't reach for those anymore. I've been loving, it's dirty because I filmed an Instagram video. This is the E.L.F sponge, and this is so amazing. I love this thing. It's soft. It does a really good job with blending for $5, and it's just amazing. I love it. It's great, and you need it. And the next one is the Beaky sponges. They're actually, I bought them from Amazon, and it's like a 5-pack for like $8. I actually have been loving these things so much. Like, they're as soft. They're squishy, and you get 5 of them for like $8 on Amazon. So, and you get them delivered to you like next day if you have Prime. Best beauty sponges ever, as well as the beauty blender. But as far as prices and how these perform, these are freaking amazing. I love them. Thank me later. So remember my video I posted about Beauty Creations, the Flawless Day foundation? I actually really love it. It's so amazing, guys. I'm actually wearing it right now. It's been my everyday foundation ever since I received it. Sometimes I'll switch to a different one, but most of the time it's just so amazing. It's $12. I did a whole video on it. If you haven't seen it, definitely go check it out. It's amazing. It's medium to full coverage and I love it. So I bought this to try out, and I was gonna do like a drugstore's favorite, but I just couldn't find any drugstore products that I like wanted to try out and wanted to spend my money on. The local drugstores around me just didn't carry the brands that were like launching. Anyways, so I bought this when I was like on my little drugstore hunt, and this is like the bite-size like E.L.F eyeshadow products. This is in the shade Pumpkin Pie. It's actually really great. It's for like less than $5. You get 4 shadows, and I was very surprised with the payoff of these. Like, really great product. I really think that you guys should definitely try these out. If you see this at your local Walmart, Target, or drugstore, they're amazing. So I love it. I'm gonna show a little bit of random stuff before we move on to makeup, but I bought these like creaseless clips from Amazon, and honestly they are like the best thing ever, because I do my hair before I do my makeup, and sometimes I will use like a little hair clip like this, and it would just mess up my hair, and I'm like, great, now I have to redo it again. But sometimes I don't have the time to, or I don't want to. So I just kind of use these clips, put them to the side, and it doesn't mess up my hair, and they're a lifesaver. Definitely check these out on Amazon as well. I love them. They're pretty affordable for how much they were, but pretty good. Another one, Cinema Secrets makeup brush cleaner. I bought this last week, and a little goes a very long way. That's why I haven't been using it very much of it, but it cleans your, like, if you don't have time to wash your makeup brushes as often as you should, this is freaking amazing. I think it works better than this, and it smells like Jeffree Star's products, like the vanilla scent, but this is kind of expensive. This is like $10, and you're probably like, Jenny, you're crazy for buying this for $10. But once I kind of get through this, I'm probably gonna buy the larger bottle. It washes your brushes so quickly. Like, I was playing with color with this, and this bag came back to its original color. Like, if I were to use it with this, it would definitely not have. And this is amazing. I am in love with the Stormi collection blush. This is totally up my alley when it comes to blushes. It's like a mauve color. I actually bought the collection, and I filmed it, and I actually hated it, so, but I did actually do an eye look with the Stormi palette on Instagram, so definitely check that out. A few people do rave about her blushes, and I definitely wanted to give it a try, and I was actually in love with it. So, and the shade is called Flutter in Love. It's beautiful. It's like a beautiful mauve shade. Can't really tell. I don't know if you can still buy it. Sorry if I showed it and you kind of want it and you can't buy it. I'm sorry. So I have 3 more products, and we're definitely gonna be done. So one of the products is their highlighters. It's called the Flexitarian, and it's their Super Shock Cheek Pearlized. That was a mouthful, but that's what it looks like. And it's super, I actually have it on my cheeks right now. I like it more as a topper than in an actual, like, I will wear it alone, like when I'm like not really wearing any makeup, but I definitely like this more as a topper. Kelly Strack actually got me into this. She's a YouTuber here. This one's actually a good dupe for Cookie. I love it. My last two favorites are Nude Mood and Blush Crush. I purchased these and I obviously filmed a video with it using it, and at first I was like, I'm actually just gonna be one of those palettes where I purchase it and film a video with it and barely use it, and it's just kind of just sitting there. But I have actually been reaching for it almost every day. If it's not this, then I'm using this, but I've been reaching for these for like almost every day, and I've been pretty obsessed with it. So I'm not a really big fan of ColourPop before, but lately I've been, and I'm not mad about it because their prices are super affordable. So this wraps up my current favorites for the month of February and March actually. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please give this a thumbs up and please comment down below what you would like to see next. I definitely want to get back into filming, so please let me know what you would like to see, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.